Hey planners, it's Teo Shante Plants and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be filming my April dashboard, which was inspired by the classy deco sheet from the Sweet Planner. That was what I started with, and then I just started pulling in other elements that I thought would complement that deco sheet really well. I also was really excited because this was my first time getting a chance to use this grid washi tape that I purchased from Simply Watercolor Co. And it's so beautiful. It's just really chic because I love the grid print. It's gold foiled and it just looks so good on the page. It's a very interesting contrast, especially if you're someone like me who really likes to play around with florals. That grid print really complements florals very well. So I trimmed the grid washi tape with these lace trim stickers from Honey Inked, and here I'm just adding some of the larger deco pieces that are going to go around the April script, which is from Nettie Designs, and her shop is currently closed, but I do hope that she'll be reopening soon because I love her stickers. Then going into the bottom box on the page, I'm just taking more of that grid washi tape and I want to line the bottom very similar to what I did for the header underneath this month script. And then I'm going to line the bottom of actually all the boxes. So the 3 boxes on the side as well. So once I've got that washi tape down, then I just want to add some more of the lace trim, and that was because this deco sheet, it had black in it and it was very kind of chic and elegant, so I was trying to sort of go with the whole vibe of the kit, and I felt like adding lace trim really just sort of fancied this up and made it very girly and really pretty. And so then I'm bringing in a fashion girl from Red Lyrics, and I loved this black and white fashion girl sheet. All of the outfits were just super cute, and I thought this one went really well with this spread. Moving up to the birthday section, I'm placing down the purse deco piece. That flourish is from Simply Watercolor Co. And then the birthday script that I'm layering over top of that little blue brush stroke, both of those are from Nettie Designs. Now I'm just placing some boxes, which is where I'll write the names of my friends who have birthdays, friends and family who have birthdays this month. And I'm using a mix of boxes, the bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl, and then these circle boxes from Mini Riot Co. with daisies on them. So beautiful. Another flourish from Simply Watercolor Co. And then I'm just adding in some deco to decorate it. And then I had these circles. I was so excited about this because I bought these specifically so I could start doing this particular technique more. These are from Sadie Stickers. They were a $2 Tuesday, and she had just these amazing circles in different sizes on a sticker sheet. And so I'm just scattering those around the boxes to add a little bit of sparkle. And then I also pulled in a couple of star sparkle stickers from Tassel Planner, because this was before I'd gotten in the stickers, because I just ordered some star cluster stickers from Sadie Stickers, but I did the spread before I got them in, so I used the ones that I had from Tassel Planner. Moving down to my kit section, I always keep track of the weekly kits that I'm using in my spread, and so I'm just using this. This was one of the straight garland banner type dot stickers. That was terrible, dangle deco, I think it might have been what Sadie Stickers was calling them, from her $2 Tuesday, but I'm using it as a dividing line to separate out these 2 sections. And then I realized I wanted to layer this floral, so I'm lifting up the little fashion girl so that I can tuck this floral underneath her, then adding in another one of those brush strokes from Nettie Design. I love those because they're on clear paper, and so it just gives me such a pretty wash of color. I really need her shop to open back up. Sorry, off topic, but anywho, the kit script is also a custom script from Nettie Designs, and I was just marking that section so that I can write down the weekly kits that I use each week. Moving down into the bottom section, I'm just adding in some more of the deco from the deco sheet, and I layered that cute little sweater cardigan in the purse. Oh my god. The name of this deco sheet was called Classy, and it definitely is. It's all super classy, fancy clothes and purses and all of that stuff. I love the whole vibe of this deco sheet. Moving over to the other side, I always put a faith quote on my dashboard page because it's very important to me, but you can use any type of quote that you like. And I started by laying one of those floral corner pieces and then added the faith quote, and then now I'm just trimming down a floral sticker. Oh, going up to the top, there's a line over this top box, and I think it's like where you would put the month script if you were wanting to put a month script there, but since I put mine on the side, I always end up just covering up this line. And so I added some florals, and then the bow, and then the gold script is also a custom from 90 Designs. Then I'm just cutting up some more floral deco just to layer around that box. Moving into the metal box, I put down another one of those brush strokes, and then added, this wasn't from the deco sheet, but it is from the Sweet Planner, those flowers in that vase. And then I'm playing around with some of these garlands. I am loving these like garland swoop stickers from Sadie Stickers, and then this is one of her dangle deco stickers. Just creating sort of like a chandelier fairy lights type of strung lights look at the top of this box. That's the word I'm looking for, not chandelier. Like strung fairy lights is kind of the look I was going for there. And then I realized that I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle to this fashion girl, because why not? Let's give her some foils. So I took one of the mini garlands from Sadie Stickers and placed it on her dress, kind of like a belt, right at where the dress sort of naturally gathered together at her waist. And I just love the touch of sparkle it adds. Then I decided to double up the trim on the boxes because I just thought it looked so good. And like when I was done, I looked at it and I was like, oh wow, yeah, I really do like the double trim. I really like pairing black with foil because I feel like black makes foil pop and stand out on the page more. And I felt like I liked how I had the trim at first, but by doubling it up, it really emphasized the black in that area and made more of a statement. And so I did that to the top and the bottom box on that side. And then going back to the center, I added a planner icon because in that middle section, I keep track of like anything planner related happening for the month. In the bottom box, this is where I'll keep track of my social media stats. And so those three boxes, just going from top to bottom, I have goals, planner moments, and then social media. And I'm moving that box around that bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. I had them lined up side by side and I didn't like how that was looking visually. So I decided to like put it at more of a diagonal angle. And to me, that was like just much better visually. And here I go again with those little circles from Sadie Stickers. They're so fantastic. I love that you get so many different sizes on a sheet. It allows you to freeform create this like deco sparkle and do it like however you want. That was why I was so excited when I saw her release those, that just the potential of all the different things you could do with something that was that freeform was just really exciting for me. And then I am taking some more of those lace trim stickers from Honey Inked and trimming them around a box that was actually just left over from my stash. I have one of those leftover sticker books where I'll put leftover boxes after I'm done working on a kit. And so I pulled that black box from a leftover, added the trim, and then that flourish. Oh, that's also from Simply Watercolor Co. I pulled in a little black bow to accent that whole cardigan thing that I've cluster of stickers that I've got going on over the side there, which was also a leftover sticker from my leftover sticker book. And then added the little shoes to that circle box from the kit. I'm bringing in another one of those dangle deco stickers from Sadie Stickers, and that finishes up that whole layering cluster in that corner. I'm going to move over to the other page. I always do an order tracker on the opposite page that coordinates with my dashboard page because I found it's such a useful way to make use of this page in my planner, which I previously, like all last year, I didn't make any use of this page at all. And so this year it's been really wonderful because I'm able to track when I'm placing my orders, what I'm ordering, and it gives me an idea of what's coming in and when and what I have in my stash, which has been very helpful for me. And so I trimmed the bottom with that grid washi, and then I'm just creating a header section at the top here, also using the grid washi and that lace trim. Pulled in the little fashion girl from the deco sheet, and I'm just layering her over some of the florals. I added in one of the bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl. This is in, I believe, the sea salt color. This is such a pretty blue color. Blue was like the color that every time I kept looking back at this spread, the blues in the florals and then the blue accents that I pulled in were what really stood out for me on this page. It just really popped and was so pretty. I'm accenting with some more of those circle stickers from Sadie Stickers, and then I moved back over because I realized I wanted to add one more floral to the goals section, and so I'm just taking the other half of a floral that I had cut when I was working on the order tracker page, and I am just placing that in the goals section. That large deco piece at the bottom, that was actually like a freebie sticker that came in an order from Crafts by Towie, but it had the same vibes and it totally went with the look of this kit, so I placed it down at the bottom there, because sometimes we get large freebie stickers and don't always use them, or maybe it's just me, but I know I don't, and so I really wanted to make use of that, and it felt like it went with this spread. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'll see you next video. Bye.